How to remove your Tumblr account on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to remove your Tumblr account on Facebook mobile. First thing, go to Facebook and now click these three lines here in the top corner and then go down, click settings and privacy and then settings and then just sorry, not settings, click on your profile here and then edit profile and now click links, click edit and then you will find your Tumblr username and then just click remove and save it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and then see you in the next video.